How to disable camera shutter sound on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings App. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Sound and Vibration. So you will see Sound and Vibration is here. So click on Sound and Vibration. Now here, so scroll down and click on vibration and intensity. So after click on vibration and intensity, you will see system is here. So if you want to disable camera shutter sound, so turn off and decrease sound. So after decrease system sound, go back to home screen, refresh phone and click on camera app. So you click picture and you will see shutter sound is turn off. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can disable camera shutter sound on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.